Unlock your health potential, the power of short-chain fatty acids. Are you ready to discover a simple yet powerful way to transform your health? Learn how tiny compounds created in your gut can fight inflammation and protect you from chronic diseases. What exactly are short-chain fatty acids, or SCFAs? They are produced when beneficial bacteria in your gut ferment soluble fiber in your large intestine. Think of them as a vital fuel source for your body. These SCFAs are the primary energy source for the cells lining your colon. Without them, your gut can't function optimally, potentially leading to various health issues. Maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being. Let's explore how to boost SCFA production. When you consume foods rich in inulin, pectin, and resistant starch, found in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and oats, these fibers travel undigested to your large intestine. These fibers act as prebiotics, feeding the probiotics, good bacteria, in your gut. As your probiotics feast on these prebiotics, they produce SCFAs, creating a beneficial cycle for your gut health. Prebiotics are essential for a thriving gut microbiome. Around 95% of the SCFAs produced in your body are acetate, propionate, and butyrate. Each plays a unique role in supporting your health. Understanding their functions can empower you to make informed dietary choices. Acetate supports energy production and lipid synthesis, providing fuel for your body's processes. Propionate aids in glucose production in the liver, helping regulate blood sugar levels. Butyrate is the star player, fueling colon cells and significantly reducing inflammation throughout your body. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it a key component of a healthy gut and overall wellness. Let's focus on butyrate and its incredible benefits. Butyrate strengthens your gut lining, protecting against colon cancer and reducing inflammation throughout your body. It's a true powerhouse for gut health. Butyrate enters your bloodstream and supports blood sugar control, lowers LDL, bad cholesterol, and promotes healthier arteries and heart function. Its impact extends far beyond the gut. For individuals with gut conditions like Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis, increasing butyrate levels can help protect and heal the gut lining. This may reduce flare-ups and minimize long-term damage, improving quality of life. Millions of people struggle with blood sugar issues, including insulin resistance, prediabetes, and diabetes. SCFAs, particularly butyrate, can enhance enzyme activity in your liver and muscles, improving glucose and insulin management. When it comes to heart health, butyrate reduces inflammation in your arteries, helps lower bad cholesterol, and prevents the buildup of calcium and heavy metals. These factors significantly reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Maintaining healthy SCFA levels is a proactive step towards preventing and managing these chronic conditions. A balanced diet rich in fiber and prebiotics can make a significant difference. Ready to take action? Here's your plan to boost SCFA production and improve your overall health. White heavy checkmark: eat more fiber-rich foods, especially soluble fiber found in oats, fruits, and vegetables. White heavy checkmark: focus on prebiotics like fruits, vegetables, legumes, oats, green bananas, and cooked and cooled potatoes. White heavy checkmark: nourish your probiotics so they can create more SCFAs, fostering a healthy gut microbiome. White heavy checkmark: reduce inflammation, protect your gut, and support your heart and metabolism through these dietary changes. This isn't a fleeting trend. It's grounded in scientific evidence. Your body has the innate ability to heal, and the key may be as simple as providing your microbiome with the right fuel. Emerging research highlights the gut-brain connection, revealing how SCFAs can influence mental health. A balanced gut microbiome, supported by adequate SCFA production, can positively impact mood, reduce anxiety, and improve cognitive function. SCFAs can modulate neurotransmitter production, such as serotonin, which plays a crucial role in regulating mood and emotions. A healthy gut can lead to a happier, more balanced mind. SCFAs can also play a role in weight management. By promoting a healthy gut microbiome, They can influence metabolism, reduce inflammation, and improve insulin sensitivity. A balanced gut microbiome can help regulate appetite and reduce cravings for unhealthy foods. Incorporating fiber-rich foods into your diet can support weight management goals. Here are some practical tips to help you increase SCFA production. Diversify your diet. Eat a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to provide different types of fiber for your gut bacteria. Incorporate fermented foods. Include fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut in your diet to introduce beneficial bacteria to your gut. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to help fiber move through your digestive system and support SCFA production. Limit processed foods. Reduce your intake of processed foods, which can harm your gut microbiome and decrease SCFA production. By understanding the power of short-chain fatty acids and taking proactive steps to support your gut health, you can unlock your body's potential for healing and well-being. A healthy gut is the foundation for a healthy life. If this message resonated with you and provided valuable insights, please share it with your family and friends. Let's empower more people to understand the profound impact of gut health. Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, experiences, and questions. Together, we can create a community dedicated to improving our health through the power of the gut. And most importantly, take action today to nourish your gut and make it a great day for your health.